Okay, for number 5, go to the whiteboard. Let me do that now. I'll open a whiteboard for you. And let's start. So we're going to do the expansion of a cube root now. And the cube root, whoops, let me get my pen out. The cube root, did it again. The cube root of 1 plus 3x. Well, I'm going to use the generalized binomial theorem to do it. So it's going to be 1 plus 1/3 3x plus 1/3, and then it's going to be 1/3 minus 1, so that's minus 2/3 over 2 factorial, and then you get 3x squared. Let's put the next term down. 1/3 minus 2/3. I want to point out these have a nice pattern. And it's going to be 3 factorial, which is 6. It's going down by 3, so this will be minus 5. When I say down, the numerator is going down. Let's put the next one down. Going down by 3. And it's going to be 24 now. 4 factorial. 3x to the 4th power. Now, of course, I don't mind that answer, to be honest with you. But I want to go through the arithmetic for you, and then we'll check it with the key. Now, the point of this thing is that people are expected to do the arithmetic. And again, if you need to, use a calculator. I just don't think a calculator is all that helpful. So it's going to be 1 plus x. All right? So, someone says, well, that next one really tough to compute. And I want to point out we just did these 2 here. And I have 3 more to do now. All right? Before I do anything, I want to point out, I know the sign's minus. And now I got to do this business over here. And I'm looking at the letter. I know the letter is x squared, or the variable, right? So let's write this down. So I'm going to do my little chicken scratching aside. I already got the sign, so I'm just putting numbers down. 1/3, 2/3, that's 9, and we're dividing it by a 2. This all cancels off, and you get that, minus x squared. All right, not bad, right? I was hoping for nice, but that's just too nice. Let me just back over that and put this down. All right, get my eraser out, erase this over here. And now I'm going to move on to this part. All right, and what's that going to be? It's going to be plus. All right, I got the sign resolved. I'm going to put my numbers down now. So 1/3, 2/3. I've already resolved the sign, by the way. 5/3, 27, and you get a 6 there. This cancels, and you get 3 here. That's pretty nice. That's just 5/3. That's a cube. Sorry about that. All right, get my eraser out. Get rid of my baby arithmetic over here. And I got to get the next term. Oh, by the way, this goes on forever. That's my definition of hell, by the way. All right, let's go to town. See what we got. Let's do the sign first. Looks like a negative sign, right? And let's do our arithmetic now. So 1/3 times 2/3 times 5/3 times 8/3, and then times 3 to the 4th, and then you get 24 on the bottom. Well, 4 factors of 3 cancel. Let's see, 8 goes into 24 3 times, and then you get 10/3. X to the 4th power plus yada, yada, yada. Now, when I say plus yada, 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 I'm not saying that's a plus sign there. I'm just saying there's a bunch of terms we need to add on. What I would recommend you do now, and mistakes happen, by the way, and certainly I make tons of mistakes myself. I want to see if I got the right answer. I got 1 plus x minus x squared, 5/3 x cubed minus 10/3 x4. Now they go on further, but there's no need to. And why is that? They said at least 5 terms. We've got the 5 terms, by the way. So we're done. We're good to go. Thank you.